My name is Dr. Jessica Esquivel, and I'm a particle physicist working at Fermilab. An impactful moment that happened in my journey towards becoming a particle physicist was actually the time I decided that I no longer wanted to be living in the closet. It was as I was going to graduate school, I made a real concerted effort and choice that I wanted to be out. Um, and I made that decision because of how difficult it was to keep a very big part of my life secret to my coworkers. And that to me was the first step in living my authentic self. And it allowed me to not have to worry about using the correct pronouns, or hiding that part of me, and it freed up mental energy to actually do awesome and exciting physics.